Mr. Kosonke, did you ever attend school from sub A or dom A or grade 1?
Kabuza ke ukuthi ngibuze la ngifuna nje ukuthi ke kuqhathi mina ukuthi ke wayini esikoleni ukusuka ke noma uqala ke na sub A.
Yep.
Yes.
Was it a Christian school? Christian school meaning religious was. Did you pray
Kwakuyisikolo
when you prayed at school? Did you pray at school?
kwakuthandaza esikoleni.
Yes, Koptandazo.
Yes.
You prayed about Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Yebo.
I'm asking this because you say, I don't know what an oath is.
Ngikubuza lokho ngoba ke uthi awukwazi ukufunga ukuthi kuyini.
And yet you were in a school. You ended which standard?
Isiphi wagcina usiphi standard?
Grade 12.
Grade 12.
Right. Where you taught religious studies.
Ingaba ke nani ifunda ifundo ke ezihlangene nokukholwa noma nenkolo.
I in primary.
It's at primary.
Yes. I also attended primary school. Dom A, actually. I started at Dom A. Sub A, sub B standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. University 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So you, because you're a Christian also, it appears you attended the format, except that you ended at matric.
Wasugcina nanjengoba usho ukuthi wagcina ku matric.
Yeah, what the matric.
Yes.
And you don't know what an oath is.
Awukwazi
As you're
ukufunga.
standing there.
Nanjengoba umilana ukufunga ukuthi kuyini awukwazi. I don't understand what the court means.
You understand well. I'm not talking Chinese. You don't know what an oath is. You said that, not me.
Iwena osho lokho akusiyimi uthi ke ukufunga ukuthi kusho ukuthini ukufunga awukwazi ukuthatha isifungo futhi awukwazi ukuthi kusho ukuthini lokho.
Ngoba ngishilo ngathi mina ikahle kahle under yilokuzana language yasecourt angiyazi ngoba ngaze ngabushwa before.
As I indicated, my lord, that I do not understand the language of the court because I've never been arrested before.
It's not the language of the court. Oath. It's a language. Standard 1, mistresses. They normally sometimes tell people, swear. Are you not lying? This is speak. Education speak. At school. Mistresses, teachers, they will tell a student you are lying. You've never, they tell the truth. You've never heard that type of thing. I also lied at primary school and secondary school. I'd be told, tell the truth, where were you? When I had gone to play football and I was not at school. So, we've never had that experience.
Akusiyona language yasecourt awukaze othisha yini bakutshele ukuthi ke uqamba amanga kungani uqamba amanga funga ukuthi lokho okhulumayo kuyiqiniso noma kusona iqiniso.
Oh ngiyazwa.
Oh, I hear.
Yeah. Okay, just one other aspect. Did Gininda force you to write anything?
Ingabe uGininda wakuphoqa yini ukuthi ubhale nje noma yini?
Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi akukho ngiphoqa kukho.
As I said that there was nothing that he forced me in.
Did he force you? You said to this court, you initialed each and every page. Did Gininda force you to initial each and every page of that statement or whatever you call that document?
Kuyona le document noma i-statement noma ke kuthiwa yini ukubizwa kwabo ushilo ukuthi ke i-page ngayodwa lapha yana wa initial kuyona ingabe uGininda wakuphoqa yini ukuthi faka ama initials zakho la faka ama initials zakho la.
Ngicabanga phambi kwekhodi akukhona ngeke ngathi mina umsebenzi wakhona phambi phoqa khona.
I think I never mentioned it or never said it before this court that there's anywhere where Gininda forced me.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, that's true. They never forced you to initial the pages. You did it out of your own free will.
Yebo kuyiqiniso lokho akakaze akuphoqe ukusho ukuthi ke uma ngaba wena ukwenza noma uinitial laphayana wenza okuphuma kuwena ukhululekile ukwenza ngokukhululeka lokho. Phinde futhi uthi wa initial angithi uma uinitial awenzi into oyitshelwayo kodwa wenza into ephuma kuwena, wenza into ngokuyithandela wena hayi ukuthi uphoqiwe.
I
think I don't understand.
Let me
Okay.
remember an example.
Let me make an example, my lord.
No. Don't make an example. If you don't understand, fine. I'll pass. I'm asking the question. Just in
Uma kuthi
clarification.
awuzwa.
Just in clarification.
Okay.
You wanted to indicate using this diary, my lord.
No.
Okay.
It's a simple question. I'm just asking. Did Geninda force you to initial? You said no. Now I say, when you initialed, whatever you initialed, it was out of your own free will. That's all.
Ushilo ukuthi akazange akuphoqe. Manje ke umbuzo wami olandelayo uthi ke uma ngabe wena ukwenza ukuphuma kuwena amagama awenzi into oyitshelwa umunye umuntu wenza into ephuma kuwena uyenza ngokukhululeka futhi.
I understand.
I don't understand it.
Okay, fine. I'll pass.
Ngizodlula ke lapho.
Right? When you signed that so-called statement, signed, did Geninda force you to sign?
Uma ngabe usigned angithi manje ushilo wathi usigned kulela lokugcina ipage ne. Uma usigned lapha kulela page lokugcina wakuphoqa yini uGeninda ukuthi sign?
Njengoba ngishilo ngisa akekho umuntu wangiphoqayo.
As I've already indicated that no one forced me.
Okay. Did Geninda give you a version? Did he tell you what to say, Geninda?
Kukhona
In
wakusho
that
kuwena.
statement, whatever.
Kukhona wathi kuwena uGeninda ke yilokhu uma ukusho noma ke yilokhu engikulindela kuwena ukuthi ukusho. Kukhona akunikeza kodwa athi isho lokho.
No, akukho akusho. Njengoba ngishilo ngaseqaleni ukuthi akukho akusho ukuthi angikusho. Into eyenzakalayo. Ngikhuluma ngento ku-statement ukuthi into ku-statement akusiyo lengangisho.
No, he never gave me a version or said to me, say this. But what I'm referring to is that which is contained in the statement, it is not what I said.
No, fine. So he never said, say this, say that, say this, say that, say this, say that. I know you're saying what he eventually wrote, according to you. It wasn't what you told him. But the question is different. Did he say to you, say the water is black when it was green? Say the water is red when it was yellow? Meaning, say this, say that, say this, say that. And he wrote down.
Ngiyakuzwa wena lokho kushoyo ukuthi ukhona wena owakusho kuyena kodwa ke manje ku statement usuthola izinto ongakazi uzisho kodwa ke umbuzo ke manje uhlukile wona umbuzo uthi ingaba wathi uGeninda wayethi kuwena cha abona amanzi amnyama kodwa wena yithi abomvu uyabona lokho kukanje kodwa wena yithi kukanje wakwenza yini lokho
Ngicabanga lapha ecourt njengoba bekade ngengaba nokuphamisa kodwa umoya sikhuluma noMrs Banda bengavumi lokho ukuthi kube khona umuntu ongifunza amagama azange ngifunze umuntu amagama.
I think that which led yesterday led to the tempers being heated yesterday, my lord. It was with regards to the words being put in my mouth. So no one put words in my mouth.
Okay, fine. Geninda never put words into your mouth. Fine. The other thing, just the last thing. Sorry, I just want to ask this. Yeah, you said at one stage, at the very end, you are saying that Geninda said to you, if you want to add anything, you are at liberty to do so. You confirm that, he said that.
Uyasho ke ukuthi ke mase nibuye nihlangana futhi ngolesibili uGeninda wazi ukuthi ke uma kuukuthi kukhona office uku-add.
Yebo njalo.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. The last question. Can you read English?
Isingisi uyakwazi ukuthi usifunda. I-English uyakwazi uyifunda.
Yeah, noma ngekho fluent English but ngiyakhona ukusifunda somewhere.
Yes, although I'm not fluent in English, I am able to read it somewhere somehow.
Oh, no worries. A lot of us are not fluent in English. But you can read English.
Kodwa ukuyifunda bona
Like
yakwazi.
this Sowetan,
Yeah, I can read.
Bucks
Yes, I
beats
can read it.
Chiefs 7-0. You can read that. Can you write in English? Can you write?
Ukubhala ngayo kona?
Ngabhala.
I can, I'm able to.
At your work, your job description, what do you do at your work?
Emsebenzini, umsebenzi wakho uyini? La usebenza khona.
Ngi-mine.
I'm a minor.
You told us that you said you're a supervisor.
Yes, supervisor.
Yes.
Do you work with a pen?
Besebenzisa
Do you
ipen.
sit with people, talk to them and write something?
Uhlale nabantu
Write
phansi,
a report.
ubhale umbiko, i-report.
Yebo.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, okay. That's it. There's just one thing.
Sorry, Madam. I do have questions from the bench question.
Myself as well. I think that is what procedure dictates, that we need to be afforded the opportunity to,
Is that allowed, Mr. Doctor?
that is what the procedure says.
I'm just allowing the doctor. I'm just asking the doctor.
Indeed, my lord.
Hello?
We are allowed to ask any question that emanates from the court's
the court.
questions.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Yeah. Okay, let's hear. What do you want to say,
I'm not so
Mr.
sure if the state has got any.
Hello?
I'm not so sure if the state's
No,
got
no,
any, because it's
the state doesn't-
procedural,
the
that it
state-
should also be afforded the opportunity to do that.
No, the state doesn't have any.
No, I can ask one or two questions.
Oh, okay. Okay, fine.
Mr. Zungu, do you confirm that before you started your evidence on Monday, an oath was administered in this court?
Uyaqinisekisa ukuthi ngaphambi nje kokuthi ke uqale ukuthi ke ukhulume noma ke uthule ubufakazi bakho la enkantolo wafungiswa. Yes.
And then do you confirm that on each and every day after the adjournment, you were reminded that you are still under oath, even today?
Nokuthi ke emuva kokuthi asithi ke sihlale siphume masiphinde sibuya ngalo lonke ngawo onke amalanga uma ngabe sibuya noma sibuyela enkantolo ubukhunjuzwa njalo ukuthi ke usengaphansi kwaso isifungo leso okusithathile.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you. No further questions, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
Thank you, Madam. Mr. Makosonke, the court asked you if you've been to a Christian school or what. Did you understand what a Christian school is?
Inkantolo ikubuzile ke ukuthi uhamba noma ke isikolo wawuya kusona ke kwakuyisikolo samakholwa noma ke Christian school. Ngaba ukuzwile lokho ukuthi bekusho ukuthini?
Angikwazi ukwehlukanisa iy'kole ngokuthi lesi i-region noma kusezehlukana kanjani ngazo.
I'm unable to differentiate school as to whether this is a Christian school or what. I'm not able to.
What is the name of the school that you attended?
Igama lesikole lesi ofunda kusona yini?
Silanda Primary School.
Silanda Primary School.
Where is it?
Sikuphi nendawo?
Semakhaya KZN.
Back home in KZN.
Is that an urban area or a village?
Ingaba kusedolobheni lapho noma kusemakhaya?
Emakhaya village.
The village.
Thank you. And you attended that school from standard sub A to standard 10.
No.
No.
Okay, thank you. That Silanda school, for how long have you been a student there or a learner there?
Kwaba isikhathi esingakanani kusesilanda?
Ngokolimi lokudala sasiphela ku-standard 5 from sub 8 to standard 5.
From the what used to be called back then, it was from sub A up to standard 5.
And then from standard 6 to standard 10?
Standard 6 to go to standard 10.
Bengifunda eMdumela High School.
I was attending at Dumela High School.
Where is it?
Ikuphi nendawo yona?
Isekhaya khona eMahlabathini.
Back home in Mahlabathini.
In a village or in an urban
Emakhaya.
area?
Emakhaya.
It's in the village.
And you have just said you don't know what a Christian school is.
Kodwa kusho ukuthi Christian school ukuthi yini awuyazi.
Angazi ukuthi wehlukana kanjani.
I don't know what the difference is.
From both schools, were you ever taught the following? Were you ever taught the following from both schools?
Ngale.
To say the following: I know and understand the content of this declaration, of the statement. I have no objection to the taking of the prescribed oath. Oh, sorry. I'm going to use it again. I'm not done.
Are you saying, are you asking him whether at school he was taught that?
Yes.
That oath?
Yes.
I see. Fine.
Thank you, my lord.
Ingaba kuzona zombili izikole lezo ke oyishilo ukuthi wakuzona ke wakufundiswa yini lokho ukuthi ngiyakwazi ngiyaqonda futhi noma ngiyakuzwa futhi lokho okubhaliwe lana ku statement sona lesi.
Cha.
No.
Thank you. Were you ever taught from both
Wafundiswa
schools the following?
Lokho okulandelayo
I consider the prescribed oath to be binding on my conscience.
ukuthi ke lokho okulandelayo noma ke isifungo lesike siyisibophezelo unembeza wami.
Cha, akaze ngifundiswe.
No, I was never taught that.
And you said the name of your school, Mdumeleni, and what?
Silanda and Mdumela High School.
Slanda neMdumela High School.
Thank you. In both schools, were you ever taught the following? I certify that the above statement was made before me and that the deponent has acknowledged that he knows and understands the content thereof.
Ngiyaqinisekisa ukuthi ke lo statement lesi senziwa phambi kwami. Ngiyaqinisekisa futhi nokuthi ke lona ke osenzile istatement lesi uyakwazi ke noma uyakuzwa lokho okubhaliwe kulesi statement.
Cha, akaze ngifundiswe lokho.
No, that I was never taught.
In both schools,
Sona zombili izikole.
were you ever
That's
taught
correct.
the following? That this statement was sworn before me and the deponent placed his signature thereon in my presence.
Ukuthi ke le statement lesi senziwa phambi kwami nokuthi futhi umuntu wasenza ke wasayinda phambi kwami ngikhona.
Angaze ngifundiswe ngempela.
That I was never taught all of that.
Thank you. In both schools, do you remember being taught what an oath is?
Kuzona zombili izikole uyakhumbula yini ufundiswa ukuthi ke ukufunga noma isifungo kuyini?
Cha.
No.
Now the court asks you, what do you do at work? You say you are a minor. The court says you are a foreman, then you say yes. Not so?
Ikubuzile ke inkantolo ukuthi wenzani emsebenzini wathi uyi-minor akuzi ukuthi uyi-supervisor yini wavuma.
Yebo kunjalo.
That's correct, yes.
The court asks you, do you use a pen? And then you said yes.
Wabuzwa ukuthi ayisebenzisa yini pen wavuma.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that's correct.
The court asks you, are you able to write and read English?
Wabuzwa ukuthi ukubhala uyakwazi nokufunda isingisi.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that's correct.
Does the work that you're doing as a minor or as a foreman minor involve oath-related issues?
Umsebenzi ke owenzayo ungabe uhlanganisa ke okuhlangene noma unako yini okuhlangene nokufungisa phakathi?
Hayi akukho.
No, nothing.
Thank you. In the middle of your testimony, as I was leading you, and if my memory does not,
But I thought this is questions arising from the course question. Let's not quarrel about something useless. You said you don't have any cross-examination.
yes,
This now is about
No,
questions arising. Okay.
not
Just
cross-examination. I said I do not have re-exam, my lord.
Yeah.
And I did not do it.
No, but these are questions arising from the court.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, fine.
So I don't know
asking
what's the
what
problem
arises
with
from
that,
the
my
court.
lord, because I'm
I've been
busy
just
with
keeping
that.
quiet.
No, I'm asking what's the problem
Yeah,
with
fine,
that
fine,
because I'm
go
busy
on.
with that, my
Go
lord.
on.
Now, the court has just distracted me. You said you do not know what an oath is.
Ushilo wathi awukwazi ukufunga ukuthi kuyini.
Yebo njalo.
Yes, that's correct.
Have you, before arriving here at court, an oath being administered on you? Have you ever been involved in a situation where you had to take an oath?
Ingabe wawuke wahlangana yini nesehlakalo noma ke nala khona kufanele ufunge khona?
Kuqalela Monday la court Monday.
It started here in court on Monday.
Thank you. There was a point when you wanted to demonstrate something there, and the court refused you to demonstrate. What is it that you wanted to demonstrate?
Into engizama ukuyiveza ukuthi uma ngizofika ngiphethe amaphepha so ngithi kulamaphepha engiwaphethe so ngabe kukhona okukhiphayo noma okuedayo then uthi no ngithi sign akusho ukuthi mhlambe lapho siyakhona phela sivumelene khona noma khona esilwa khona asilwe indawo.
I wanted to show or to demonstrate that if you come to me having documents in your hands like this and then you ask me, is there anywhere where you want to subtract or to add, and then I say no, then that means that there is nowhere where we have an agreement or where we have a dispute on.
Thank you. Mr. Makosonke, is it true and correct that the state, as well as the court, in the clarification of your evidence, never asked you as to whether or not the content of the statement of the document that you requested to sign was never read back to you? I am saying, is it your firm testimony that that which you signed, you were never requested to read, or it was never read back to you?
Ufakazi bakho ukuthi lokho owakusayinda awukazi ukufundele.
Yebo kunjalo akaze ngikufundela.
Yes, it's correct. It was never read back to me.
Thank you. I've got nothing further to you.
Yeah, let's hear you.
I will be heard.
Pardon?
I will be heard.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
The court says, let's hear me. I said, I'll be here. The court will hear me. So, hence I'm standing up.
Okay.
Now, let me quickly, Mr. Makosonke, deal with the only question that was posed to you by my learned colleague, Advocate Sibanda. Before Monday here in court, has an oath previously been administered to you? And by an oath, I'm not saying at crash when they say, tell the truth, I'll whip you. In the legal context, has that been done to you?
Ngabe ngaphambili ke ngaba phambi komsombuluko ngabe kwake kwenzeka yini ke ukuthi ufungiswe angikhulume ke lokho kwase crash ukuthi ifunga ngizokushaya.
No akaze kwenzeka.
No, it never happened.
Do you understand what an oath is in the legal context?
Ngokwasemthethweni ingabe uyazi yini ukuthi ukufunga kusho ukuthini noma kuyini ngokwasemthethweni?
Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ama-regulation yasecourt angiwazi, ama-regulation engingawazi awasemayini hayi awasecourt.
As I've indicated that I do not know or understand the court regulations, it's only for mine regulations that I know.
Do you understand what an oath is in the context of signing legal documents?
Ingabe uyazi ukuthi isifungo sini noma ukufunga kuyini ngokuhlangene noma nokumayelana nokusayina amaphepha noma ke ama-documents asemthethweni noma ezomthetho?
Hayi angikwazi.
No, I don't know.
Now, when you were presented by Brigadier Gininda with a document to sign, did you understand that signing that document under oath means that you are confirming that the content of that document is truthful?
Manje ke ngokusayinda ke amaphepha lawo owawanikezwe uyena uGininda, engabe wawazi yini ukuthi uma usayinda uyaqinisekisa ukuthi ke lokho okubhaliwe laphayana kuyiqiniso.
Cha, ngangakwazi.
No, I didn't know.
Now, His Honorable Lordship asked you whether you've passed sub A, grade 1, grade 10,
I
12.
didn't ask him, I told him.
Oh, you were told?
Yeah, because he says he's from matric.
Yes.
I think I'm intelligent enough to know that a person who's at matric must have read Dom A, sub A,
Okay, that's fine. Madam.
like I am.
I'm not quarrelsome, madam.
Yeah.
That's fine. Now, let me take it back in this context, and that was also said by the court, so I think I'll be entitled to take it there. The court on Monday said to you, I'll treat you as an educated black man. You remember that?
Ngizokubuyisela ke la inkantolo ibithi kuwena ke ngizokhulumisana nawe ke nanje ngomuntu omnyama ofundile. Yakhuluma lokho.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that's correct.
Now, did your matric training include training in oaths and affidavits, taking of oaths, or administration of oaths and affidavits?
Ku matric noma ke kuyena ke matriculation ingaba ke lapho izifundo zakho yayihlanganisene nokufunga.
Cha,
No.
Did your matric training include procedures on the administration of oaths?
Ngaba khona ukufunda okwakuhlanganisele nokuthi ke kwenziwa kanjani uma ngabe kufungwa noma kufungiswa umuntu.
thina sifundele history no geography angikwazi zonke into zomthetho.
We were only studying history and geography. I know nothing that relates to law.
Did your matric training include training on what makes a document legally binding?
Ingabe kwakuhlanganisa nokuthi ke yini eyenza ukuthi ke iphepha noma idocument libophezeleke ngokwasemthethweni.
Cha, asikufunde lokho.
No, we never studied that.
Did your matric teach you about the difference between a sworn statement and an ordinary statement?
Ngabe wakufunda yini umehluko phakathi kwestatement esifungelwe kanye nestatement nje esijwayelekile?
Cha, akaze ngikufunde lokho.
No, I never
Thank you.
studied that.
Thank you, Mr. Gwabeni. The second question from the bench was the following. Did Brigadier Gininda force you to write anything? You remember that?
Uyakhumbula ke inkantolo kubuza ukuthi ke kukhona yini akuphoqa ukuthi ubhale uBrigadier Gininda?
Yebo.
Yes.
And your response was in the negative, correct?
Wathi wena ke cha akaze akwenze lokho.
Yebo.
That's correct.
And the second question was whether you were forced by Brigadier Gininda to initial the document, remember?
Nokuthi ngabe waphoqwa yini ukuthi ufake ama initials akho?
Yebo.
Yes.
Njalo ngibuziwe.
And your response was as well in the negative.
Nala
correct?
wathi cha awukazi uphoqwa.
Yebo kunjalo.
That's correct, yes.
Now, at the time Brigadier Gininda hands this document to you, you are an arrested person, right?
Yes.
Yebo, ngangiumuntu oboshiwe ngaleso sikhathi anginikeza lawo maphepha uBrigadier Gininda.
And Brigadier Gininda is a person in authority over you.
Umuntu ke lona ke onamagunya ngaphezulu kwakho angithi.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that's correct.
Did you know that you've got a right to refuse when a person in authority says, here's a document, sign it?
Ingabe wakwazi yini ukuthi ke unelungelo lokuthi ke unqabe uma ngabe umuntu onamagunya ngaphezulu kwakho ethi thatha la usign or noma mi signer?
Ngangakwazi lokho.
I didn't know that.
You were also asked by the Honorable Court whether Brigadier Gininda forced you to append your signature on the document. Remember that?
Inkantolo yabisibuza futhi ke ukuthi ke wafoswa yini noma waphoqwa yini uBrigadier Gininda ukuthi ke kulela phepha la page ogcina la wasayina khona ukuthi usayine yini?
Ngiyakhumbula.
I remember.
And your response as well was in the negative, correct?
Nalapho kushilo ukuthi cha awukazi uphoqwa.
Yebo kunjalo.
That's correct, yes.
Again, as a person in authority, who comes to you and say, do you have anything to add? You say no, he says, then you can sign here. Did you know that you've got rights to refuse to sign that document?
Phinde futhi ke nalapho umuntu lona ke onamagunya noma ke osemagunyeni ke oza kuwena uthi sign lana nalapho ke wawazi yini ukuthi ke wawusenganqaba?
Angenalwazi.
I did not know.
Now, and you anticipated, I think you are thinking like me, you anticipated something that I was going to ask. and I'll put it this way. You say, when you are handed a document, and somebody, in fact, when somebody comes to you with a document, he does not even present it to you. He says to you, do you have anything to add? Do you know what you were asked to add on? Was something read to you, or was something shown to you, or did you read something so that that question has got a basis? Do you have something to add on? Were you shown anything?
Uyabuzwa ukuthi khona yini ofuna uku-eda, ukhona yini owakhonjiswa ukuthi yini kuyini lokho ofisayo noma ofunayo ukuthi ku-ede khona owakhonjiswa.
Akukho vele ngangikufundile noma ngangikhonjisiwe.
There was nothing read back to me or that I was shown.
Okay, if you are reading my mind, I'm just asking myself a rhetorical question. Add to what? Add on what? That's what I'm asking you. Thank you so much, Makosongi. Thank you, my Lord. I'm in the truth.
Okay, Ms. Mshodolo, any questions?
No, no, thank you. I have no questions.
You
Further-
don't have it?
No.
Oh, Mr. Mumalo has finished his.
No, I don't have questions from the court's
Okay, fine,
questions.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. I've got two, my lord.
Two, okay.
Thank you. Mr. Zungu, during consultation or during the time of the interview with Mr. General Brigadier Kinenda, when your statement was taken, were you given an opportunity to write the statement on your own?
Ngalesikhathi onobrigadier Gininda ngaso ngaba wanikezwa yini ithuba lokuthi istatement lesi uyibhalele ngokwakho?
Cha.
No.
Okay. And it is your evidence that the statement, you were not given the statement to read it
Uyasho ke ukuthi awukazi usinikwe ukuthi usifunde.
before you
statement
signed.
Ngaphambi kokuthi usayinde.
Akaze ngisinike.
I was never given.
Ah, okay. Had you been given the statement to read it, would you have been able to read and see the information that was contained in the statement which did not come from you?
Uma kuwukuthi wawusinikeziwe ke ukuthi usifunde, wawuzobona lokho owawuthi kwangaqhamuki kuwena noma kwangashiwo nguwena.
Ngangizokubona.
I would have seen it.
Okay. Thank you, my lord. I have no further questions.
Thank you. Mr. Makosongi, just talking as a Christian who attended a Christian school. Sometimes, and you don't have to respond, it's just sometimes the mistresses, they used to say to us, let's pray, class, let's pray. When we started the day, then the mistress prays. Even the teachers would pray in the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Ghost. Amen. At home, when you're from a Christian home, the father will insist, for what we are about to receive, Lord, thank you, then you eat. That's what Christians do. Now, in a Christian school where I was, in the morning we used to pray. And the teacher and the mistress sometimes would read a verse from the Bible. I'm sure you've seen a Bible.
IBhayibheli lami usuka one Bible.
Yeah, ngiyibona.
Yes.
Right. And you said you are arranging for a marriage. Are you married now?
Ushadile ngithi.
Yes, I'm married.
Is it by customary law or by civil rights?
Angiwazi ngiyokuhlukaniswa kanjani.
Okay, did you sign? Did you sign anything when you married?
Khona wakusayinda uma ushada.
Traditional wedding.
Traditional wedding.
Right, no problem. Okay, there's one thing I must just say here. The SCA and the Constitutional Court decree that if there is a dispute concerning a statement, whether what is written on the statement, let me just quote the Constitutional Court, the Constitutional Court as it says. But it's basically where a statement is disputed by allegedly the person who allegedly made it, or where a person says there were additional information in that statement which is not attributable to him. The Constitutional Court and the SCA decree that in order to ascertain the veracity, the truthfulness, and the fact that this document was not coerced and that the maker of the document was not beaten up, then to safeguard the integrity of the sanctity of that statement or document, they say, not me, I can give you the citation. Mawanda Makala is the Constitutional Court, sorry, it's the Constitutional Court case which I quoted yesterday. This is the Director of Public, and the judge who was penning this is Judge Bilch. He wrote this judgment with Chitri, who was my colleague here in Pretoria in Joburg. So this case says it is pertinent and imperative that the court should call the writer of that statement, not the reciter of the statement, the writer. If it is written by a monkey called Rata Mokhatrin, then Rata Mokhatrin must be called here to come and explain to the court if he's the person who wrote that statement and how he went about it. Now, that is the Constitutional Court. And the SCA in the case of S versus Siemela, 2016 S2 SACR, the case which was heard and decided on the 26th of March 2015, the judges Apunen, Maya, Mahantla, Zondi, and Meyer, they are also saying it is imperative that where there is a disputed statement or the contents of the statement are disputed or the signatures on the statement are disputed, that the maker of the statement will be called to come and authenticate that statement as the statement which he wrote, and that the person who is allegedly said to have made that statement, when he looks at him, like Mr. Jonas, if you made a statement, Rata will say, this is the man who made the statement. Okay. So, in addition to Section 286, which I normally say I insist on if persons are adjudicating the making of a statement or the interpretation of a statement, when I made that order on the 19th, not the 19th, at the end of the last term, I didn't mention these citations. I don't have to, I didn't mention them because even in terms of Section 286, I can do it on my own because I, at the end, have to determine whether in fact this document was made properly or whatever. But here now I found, the reader I am, I found the Constitutional Court case and the SCA case which says you must call the maker of the statement to come and give evidence about that exigence. And Mr. Makosonge, we have finished testifying. But you have a right to come here, if you want to listen to that person who says he took the statement from you.
Inkantolo manje ke ithi uma isifunda ke noma ke ibheka amacala kunamacala ke asenqunyiwe amabili ehlangene nawo enkantolo yomthetho sisekelo kanye futhi inkantolo yokudluliswa kwamacala iSCA kanye futhi neConstitutional Court amvumelayo ke noma ashoyo ke ukuthi la khona ke ubangiswana noma ekuphikiswana khona ke ngestatement ukuthi ngisenzile angisenzanga ngisayinile angisayinanga ukuthi ke umthetho ke uyayivumela ke inkosi enkantolo ukuthi ke kubizwe loyo ekuyena ekuthiwa wabhala ke istatement leso ukuthi ke azosho ke ukuthi uma ebhekile ke athi cha uyena ke lo umlisa owenza ke lesi statement ibisithi inkantolo ke ukuwena ke uqedile wena ukuthula bakufakazi kodwa ke uma ufisa ukuthi uzolalela umuntu loyo othi uyena wabhala istatement ungakwenza ke lokho inkantolo iyavumela ukuthi usungabuya ke kodwa wena uqedile ngokuthula ubufakazi.
So
okay my lord,
thank you. Tomorrow sorry, Monday, what are we doing? Mr. Mnisa, are you putting other witnesses Monday?
Thank you, my lord. I hope the state, after the court has just said whatever it said, is very happy. But as for Monday, we're not sitting, we'll be sitting on Tuesday. I was only able to...
Sitting? We're not sitting on Monday, it's a holiday.
No, because there won't be a witness, my lord. I was only able to secure the attendance of the next witness with effect from Tuesday.
Thank you. So the witness will be available on Tuesday?
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Baloyi and the doctor?
Is it regarding the request or regarding the comments by the court?
No. We're through with the comments. He's calling another witness. Another witness who's going to say something else. You have no objection?
So far as the availability of that witness only on Tuesday, we will not raise any objections.
Any objections? Okay, and then the other colleagues there?
As a consensus, my lord, I do not have any
No
objection.
objection.
uyasho ke babonisa ukuthi umsombuluko asize enkantolo ngoba ufakazi olandelayo uzotholakala ngoLwesibili.
Okay.